Huwag mo nang tatanggalin kasi sinecheck ko one by one. I'm still checking. All right. So, what are the factors of 12? So, if you got the wrong answer, don't give points, huh? So, only those who got all correct answers. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, so palakpakan nyo yung nakakuha ng correct answers. Very good. So, those are the factors of 12. Okay, 1 point only for that. Okay, next. Tell me if the number is divisible by the given number. So, you will answer yes or no. Okay? Question is, okay, 1,500 divisible by 2, 5, and 10? Yes or no? 5 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1,500 is it divisible by 2, 5, and 10? Raise your answer. Very good. So I can see that all of you got the correct answer. Yes, that's correct. Yes, because 1,500, the last digit, okay, that's correct. Ibaba nyo na class. The last digit is 0. So definitely, that is divisible by 2, divisible by 5, and divisible by 10. Okay, that's correct. Next. Okay. If 4,856, 4,856, itatype ko din class sa chat box. 4,856. Okay. Is it divisible by 3? Yes or no? Is it divisible by 3? 4,856. 4,856. Is it divisible by 3? Yes or no? Okay, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, raise your answer. Okay. Ayan, yes, yes. May nakalagay na no. Ayan, naghati na kayo sa sagot. No, yes, no, 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 no. Yes. Ayan. Some of you answered yes and some of you answered no. But class, the correct answer is no. Okay? Please give point. Now, I will explain again. Okay? So let us have this one. Before we continue, kasi may mga mali class kaya kailangan kong i-clear. Okay. So divisible by 3. So the given class is 4,856. What is our rule? Okay, the rule is you need to add all the digits. If the sum is divisible by 3, and so the number. So you need to add. So 4 plus 8, okay, plus 5 plus 6, that is equal to, so 4 plus 8, o pwede yung pagsamahin class yung madaling i-add. 4 muna, ito muna, 4, i-add sa 6. So meron ka na agad 10. Tapos i-add sa 8, you have 18. And then you add 5, 18, 19, 20 para maging 20, and then may natitirang tatlo. So the answer is 23. So the answer, the question now is 23. Is 23 divisible by 3? Diba hindi? That's not divisible by 3. You cannot divide. Okay? Plus, we are talking here divisibility rules. So from the word divisibility, that is from the word divide and ability, your ability to divide a number. So, ano class yung ipapasok niyong skill na para ma-solve niyo agad? Yung pagpa-factor, yung paggawa ng multiples. Kung alam niyo yung factors ng number, madali nyo class makukuha yung sagot. Okay? So 23 is not divisible by 3. So, okay, this is not divisible by 3. Okay, I hope that's clear enough. Okay? So, let's have another. Next. Okay. The question is, still, if it is divisible by 3, 3,963. Is 3,963 divisible by 3? Yes or no? Okay, I think you're done. I will count. After counting 5 counts, so you're going to present your answer or flash it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Let me see. Is it yes or no? Wow, so I'm very glad that you all got correct answer. So that is correct. The answer is yes. Okay, pwede nang ibaba. Lagyan ng score sa upper right kung nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Okay? Now, paano nakuha? Same thing. You're going to add the digits. And makikita nyo naman class yung 3, 9, 6, and 3 are divisible by 3 pag inad nyo yung lahat. Okay? So, next. Paano naman pag 9? Kasi class, bago tayo pumunta sa 4 and 8, gusto ko clear muna ito lahat eh. Paano naman pag 9? Okay, let's see. So, I will give a number. Okay, is 27,000, itatype ko sa top box, tingnan na lang. 27,136 divisible by 9 is 27,136 divisible by 9? Yes or no? All right. So I think some of you are, still answering. Mas okay pala dito class sa online kasi kita ko kung sino yung nagsasagot pa, sino yung hindi. Ayan. So is 27,136 divisible by 9? So in 5 counts, you're going to flash your answer. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. Okay, I'm very happy class kasi may isa lang nakakuha ng maling sagot. The answer is no. Very good. So another point for that. Oh my God. So I'm so happy for your performance now. Now class, I'm going to present it para ma-review. Okay, 27,136. So, I'm really enjoying this one kasi nakakasunod kayo class sa ating sa mga rules. Ayan. Okay, so let's have the given, which is bakit? Parang late sa. Ayan. The 27,136. Our rule is same thing with 3. So, using this given, i-add nyo lang din plus yung mga digits niya. Dapat, kung magiging sum, divisible by 9. So, 2 plus 7 plus 1 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to, ayan, alin dito yung madaling i-add? O yung 7 tsaka 3. I-add na agad tong 7 at 3 kasi may 10 ka na. Diba? So, pag inad mo yung 6, meron ka ng 16. Tapos, 17, 18, 19. Tama? Okay, ulitin natin. So, 7 plus 3 is 10, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. So, 19, malayo. Hindi sa divisible by 9. Okay? Kasi 19 is a prime number. Ang factors niya lang, class, is 1 at saka 19. So, ibig sabihin, not divisible by 9. Alright. So, there you go. Last one. Magtatanong ako naman sa 6. Pang ilang question na kaya natin to? Pang ilang question na class? Sige nga, i-mention nyo sa monitor nyo. Pang ilan na? Sino yung wala pang mali? Sige, pang ilan na? Sige nga, Amer. Marius, pang ilan na Marius? Pang ilang question na? Paki-open mo nga yung mic. Pang 7. Okay, pang 7th question. So, you're going to answer if it is divisible by 6. O, tandaan yung rule sa 6, kailangan pareho siyang divisible ng 2 at saka 3. Nagtatapos siya sa even, tapos pag inad mo yung lahat ng number, divisible by 3. Okay? Alright. So, the question is 2,642 divisible by 6. 2,642. Is 2,642 divisible by 6? Yes or no? Ayan. Ang tatandaan nyo, class, ay dapat pala sa 6, divisible din siya ng 3. So, pag inad ko yung digit, divisible siya ng 3. And nagtatapos siya sa even. Okay? Even number are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So, there you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, flash the answer. Let me see your answer. Ayan, medyo nahati na naman tayo sa sagot natin. May nag-answer ng yes, yes, no. But marami yung answer na no. Okay, the correct answer is no. Okay? That is not divisible by 6. Okay, why? Let's explain it. Okay, the given 2,642. Okay, 2,642. Laki-lakihan po nga, class, para makita niyo. Yan. Okay, look. This given here, ang una yung tatanungin, saan ba nag-end? O yung unit niya, o yung last digit niya, saan nag-end? 2. Pwede siya. Kasi nag-end siya sa 2. So, even number. So, how about pag inad natin yung lahat ng digit? So, add natin. 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to, unahin natin yung 6 at 4 kasi mas mabilis i-add. 10. Saka yung dalawang 2, 14. Divisible ba siya ng 3? Okay, not. Divisible by 3. So, kung hindi siya divisible by 3, divisible lang siya by 2. So, definitely, 2,642 is not divisible by 6. Okay? So, that's it. Very good. Now, let me see your hand. Who got 7? Raise your hand. Who got 7? No mistake. Six. Who got 6? 5. Who got 5? 4. 3. Ayan. Okay, so, mamaya class, ialagay yung score nyo dun sa, pag meron akong isa-send na paglalagyan nyo nung naging score ninyo. Patingin nyo ng show me board kung ilan yung score yung sa upper right. Ay, binuran nyo na ba? Ayan. Okay, there you go. So we are done with the review. The review ko lang matagal kasi I want it to be like so clear. Now let's proceed to the next one. Today, we are going to discuss, ayan, 6, 7, ayan, galing. So, I can see the score. Plus, okay pa yung sound ko? Yung audio ko? Yes. Okay. So later I will just get the scores again. Pero nakita ko naman na class yung scores niyo and who got the highest score. Take note class, this one is graded. Pag ganito yung exercises natin kasi this is performance. Okay? Kasi mahirap minsan sa online kasi may time limit kayo to answer. And I don't know kung gina-guide ba kayo or what. Pero I hope kapag kaya nyo naman, do the independent learning. So, kaya nyo naman sagutan. So, let's proceed now. Again, we have 4, 8, 11, and 12. So, isasama na din natin yung 7. Para ano, pero sa ano class, sa MLEC, hindi kasama yung 7. Pero here, isasama natin para at least may idea kayo sa 7. Kasi nakalagay sa book natin sa Math for Life na binili ninyo. Para at least ma-discuss na rin natin. So how are we going to know that a number is divisible by 4 or by 8? So almost the same sila ng rule. So almost kasi meron din kaunting pagkakaiba. So ano natin? I'm going to flash it. Ayan. Share. Okay, so that is the rule class for divisibility rule by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if, that's the rule, the number made by the last 2 digits can be divided by 4. So, huwag kayong malilito class. Ito lang itatanong nyo sa sarili nyo. Yung bang dalawang nahuhuling number, last 2 digits divisible by 4? Okay? So, dapat alam nyo talaga mag-multiply ng 4 para alam nyo yung last digit kung divisible siya by 4. Okay? And, may additional. Nagtatapos siya sa dalawang 0. Okay? So, that's the clue. Mag-i-explain ko siya na class dito sa blackboard natin. Okay, balik tayo dito sa blackboard. So, ulitin ko, divisible by 4, unang-una, kailangan last 2 digit is divisible by 4. It ends in 0, 0, 2 zeros. Okay? Malaki-lakin ko ng kaunti. Yan. So, divisible by 4, last 2 digits. It's divisible by 4, and it ends in 0, 0, or 2 zeros. Ayan. So magbigay tayo class ng example. So let's say 2,400. Kita na agad. Divisible siya by 4. Bakit? Nag-e-end siya sa dalawang 0. Okay? 0, 0. So that's divisible by 4. Okay? Next. How about 2,048? Yan, divisible siya class by 4. Why? 48, kung titignan niyo yung last 2 digit niya, 48. So, ihiwalay natin. 48, okay, divided by 4 equals, o eksakto magiging sagot niyan. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And then, 8 divided by 4 is 2. So, eksaktong 12 ang sagot. And so, the number is divisible by 4. Okay? So, simple lang, right? How about this one? 1,234. Okay, 34. Is it divisible by 4? So, tanongin niyo yung sarili niyo yung last 2 digits, 34. So, i-highlight natin yung 34. Ayan. So, ang last 2 digit ba na 34 ay divisible by 4? Definitely not. Kasi kung magbibilang tayo by 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, okay, 20, 24, 28, 32, and then 36. So, wala. Hindi siya kasama sa multiples ng 4 or divisible by 4. So, i-x natin to. Hindi siya divisible. Ito, check. Ito ay check. Divisible siya by 4. Okay? Next. Magbigay tayo ng another example. Oh, let's say this one. 12,000. Next, let's say, let's say 340. And then 10,054. Ayan. Sige nga, pakilagay nyo na muna sa papel nyo yung ba nilagay kong number. Ilagay nga muna. Pakisulat sa scratch. Okay. After doing that, okay, let me ask. Okay, let me have Mia. Hi. So please answer number 1. Sinulat mo ba? Ayan. Number 1 is 12,000. Ayan. Is it divisible by 4? Yes or no? 12,000. Yes. Who can explain why? Yes, Mia.
Because the last number is 0. The last
Yes. The last 2 digit is 00. At tatlo pa nga, di ba? So, 00, it means divisible by 4. Pero okay lang na kahit dalawa lang talagang 0 class. Yung makikita nyo sa dulo. It's okay na. Okay, next, number 2. 340. Is it divisible by 4? Yes, Antara.
Yes po, sir.
Why? Why? Answer.
Because the last two digits are even and it is divisible by 4.
Yes. Very good. So 40 is divisible by 4. Right? Eksakto yung class. Pag dinivide mo sa 4, that is divisible by, the number is divisible by 4. Okay? So, let's have, okay, let's have the last one. Ano ba yung last digit? Okay, 10,054. Okay, anyone? Is it divisible by 4? Si ano nga? Ayan. Si Hershey. Hershey, nawawala ba yung connection mo?
Kanina po.
Okay, Hershey. 10,054. Is it divisible by 4?
No po.
Yes. Why?
Because the last two digits, 54, is not divisible by 4.
Yes, correct. It's not divisible by 4. 54 is not. Kung titingnan nyo class, by looking at it, kapag na-master mo yung multiplication at saka factoring, multiples, and all, lahat ng ni-review natin, hindi mo na kailangang mag-solve. Titingnan mo lang yung last 2 digits niya. Kita agad. Okay? Kaya kailangan you yourself, help yourself na maging mas magaling sa mathematics by learning multiplication, kung lalo pag hindi pa masyado. Pero I expect na sa grade 5 na kayo, so hindi ko na kailangan i-review yung multiplication, pagpa-factor and pagma-multiples, kasi nandito na kayo sa level na to. Dapat master nyo na yun. By just looking at the number, alam nyo na agad kung kayang i-divide sa 4 o hindi. Okay? 14. Oh, pag sinabing 14, hindi siya kayang i-divide sa 4. Alam dapat agad. 10. Hindi pwede. 12. Yes, it can be divided by 4. 20. Yes, can be divided by 4. So, ganun kabilis. Okay, by just looking at the number para hindi kayo mahirapan sa divisibility rule. Okay, now let's proceed to 8. Okay. For 8, yan. A number is divisible by 8 if the number made the last 3 digits will be divisible by 8. So almost the same with 4, but then sa 4 class 2 digits only. For 8, 3 digits. So take note, 3 digits. Okay? Sir, parang ang laki na ng 3 digits. Yes, I know, but then, by looking at it class, alam mo naman kung kayang i-divide sa 8 eh. Kasi, halimbawa, share ko class yung screen ko ulit dun sa blackboard natin. Okay, example. Let's say, 2,000 or 24,560. Look at this class. Paano mo malalaman na divisible siya by 8? Last 3 digits niya is 560. So ngayon, mag-mental computation ka class, pwede mong gawin yun. Doon ka muna sa 56. Okay? Is 56 divisible by 8? Yes. 7, di ba? 0 naman yung dulo niya eh. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung number na to is check. Divisible siya by 8. Okay? Halimbawa, yung dulo niya, let's say, 12,688. Ayan. So, mag-mental ka class, 68. I-divide mo siya sa 8. So, that is 8. So, may natirang 4. 64, 48. So, still divisible by 8. Okay? Last 3 digits. Or, the last 3 digits are, yan, 3 0. Ay, sorry. Ano ba yan? Okay, the last 3 digits are, yun, 0, 0, 0. There are 3 zeros. Okay? Madali lang kung masandaan. Kasi, okay, sir. So, 1 million pala divisible by 8. Definitely. Bakit? Sulat natin yung 1 million. Di ba nag-e-end siya sa last, nag-e-end siya sa ano? Sa 000. Okay? So, that is divisible by 8. Okay? So, that's the rule. I hope that's clear na para sa divisibility by 8. So, mag-ano tayo ng dalawang question. So, tell me if it is divisible by 8. Okay. So I will call someone to answer. Okay, so I will call. Okay, sulat muna class para para hindi ko nababalikan. Kasi pag gusto ko makita yung face ninyo, hindi ko kaya ma-share screen. So, ano tayo? Okay, so let me call. Raise your hand if you want to be called. Gusto niyo mas sumagot. Anika. Anika, if the first one divisible by 8, what is our given? Again, 12,600. Is it divisible by 8? Yes or no?
Yes po.
Okay, yes. 600, ang dulo. Hmm. Okay. So that is correct. Hmm. How about the next one? I mean, Anika, explain why.
Because because the last number is 0.
The last three digits. Okay? I'll go next, Kia. I want you to answer number 2. The question is 65,000. Is it divisible by 8?
Yes po.
Okay, wag mo lang isa yung ano mo, audio mo. Explain why.
Because the last number or digit ends with 3 zeros.
Okay, the last three digits are 000. So tatlong zeros. Okay, I hope that's clear for 4 and 8. So we'll proceed now to 11 and 12. Okay, last two na lang, 11 and 12. Okay, paano naman sa 11 and 12? Sir, paano namin malalaman na divisible siya ng 11 and 12? Plus, medyo ano lang tong kaunti, complicated compare sa ibang rules, but sundan nyo lang ako at gawin nyo lang siya, hindi kayo magkakamali. Okay? So, let us have this one. Punta tayo sa 11. Ayan. So, medyo mahaba sa class kasi nga, ayan. Look at that. So, basahin nyo muna siya or ako muna magbabasa, sundan nyo na lang ako. The divisibility rule of 11 is typical but interesting. A number is divisible by 11 if it applies these instructions. Find out all the even and odd numbers. Kailangan alam nyo alin doon yung odd and even numbers. Okay, or digit. And then add the remaining digits together. Okay? And subtract odd to odd and even to even. So if its value is 0, then the number is divisible by 11. So mamaya explain ko class how. Pero tingnan nyo itong example na to. Yung number na to. 6,613,585 is divisible by 11 because, so kinuha niya muna lahat ng odd digit. So ano yun? Yung 6, yung 1, 5, at 5. Inad niya yung lahat. 6 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5 is 17. Tapos, inad niya naman yung even. 6 plus 3 plus 5. 6 plus 3 plus 8 is 17. So, pag minus natin yung sum ng odd saka ng even, ang sagot is, pag sinubtract natin rather, is 0. So, definitely, pag 0 yung naging sagot, that is divisible by 11. Okay? Alright. Or pwede rin class yung naging sagot, hindi lang 0. Divisible siya ng 11. Okay? Pwede rin yun. So, let's have another example. Or, i-explain ko to class ng maayos dun sa blackboard natin, yung 6,613,585. Susundan nyo lang ako class kung paano ko siya i-explain dito sa blackboard natin. So, isusulat ko muna ulit ha. So, given is 6,613,585. Okay. So, ano ulit yung rule? Kunin yung odd even digits. Okay? So, plus yung odd, gagawin kong color yellow para mabilis nating ma-identify. Okay. Lahat na class na naka-yellow, that is odd. So, bakit odd? Kasi pang ilang rank siya. Kung bibilangin natin mula dito, okay, this is odd. 1, 3, 5, 7. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, ilalagay natin siya, ipa-plus natin siya. 6 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5 equals. So, ang sagot doon, ayan, 6 of 10, of 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 7 is 17. So, puntahan naman natin class ngayon yung even. Kukulayan ko naman yung even ng ibang color para ma-recognize agad. So, let's say, gawin natin siyang light blue. Ayan. Lahat ng naka-light blue, yun yung even digit. Kasi pang ilan siya mula sa left? 2, 4, at 6. Yun yung niya. So, i-add naman natin yun. 6 plus 3 plus 8. Kung ano yung sagot? And same. 17. Ngayon, i-add na natin ngayon, subtract ang gagawin. So, subtract natin ngayon yung naging sum ng odd saka ng even. Ayan. So, ang sagot, 0. So, pag ang sagot naging 0, kulayan natin. Pag ang sagot naging 0, that is divisible by 11. Okay? Pero, pag ang naging sagot niya naman ay divisible by 11 din, halimbawa 11, 22, 33, 44, o yun yung mga naging sagot class, or kahit 3 digits siya basta divisible by 11. So, the number is divisible also by 11. Okay? Did you get it, class? Okay. Magbibigay lang ako ng isang example problem. Sorry. Nawala. Magbibigay lang ako class ng isang example problem. Isulat niyo muna sa papel ninyo para maano ko mamaya. So, ito yung given na ibibigay ko class. So, tell me if it is divisible by 11. Ayan. 28,413. Sulat mo na. And then, pakisolve sa papel. Gawin nyo lang yun, ha? Yung alternate. Alternate dapat. I-add yung alternate digit. Tapos, pag na-add, i-subtract yung naging nila.
Sir, ano po ulit yung number?
Okay. The number is, or the question is, pakisulat muna class, 28,413. 28413. 28,413. I will call someone to answer this one. Okay? So, mag-ready na si Rosena. Rosena, ikaw magsasagot kung yes, divisible siya by 11. And so I can see natapos na yung mga ilan sa inyo at alam na yung sagot. Sir, parang mas matagal itong gawin kaysa dun sa magdi-divide na lang by 11. Plus, actually, the decision is yours. Ano yung gusto nyo? Gamitin yung rule o mag-divide na lang kayo ng 11? Kung alin yung mas mabilis sa inyo, yun ang gamitin. Yung rule na to, tinuturo lang kasi that is shortcut para mabilis yung makita. Kahit minimental nyo lang, tinitingnan nyo lang yung number, kaya nyo masabi if it's divisible by 11. But if it is, this rule is hard for you, huwag nyong gamitin. Mag-divide na lang kayo by 11. Gamit yung nakasanayan nating pag-divide. Okay? Okay, let's see. Rosena, what is your answer? Is it divisible by 11? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So, did you do the process on how to find out? Ginawa nyo? Thumbs up if yes. Yes. Okay, very good. Now, last one. Ay, meron pa pala class yung 7. Yung 7 lang medyo complicated kaya pwede yung hindi gamitin. Pwede mag-divide na lang kayo by 7. Okay, let's proceed now to divisibility by 12. Okay. Divisibility by 12. Okay, all right. Let's go there. Ito na. So how we will know if it is divisible by 12? Plus, pareho lang siya ng 6 yung rule halos. Tingnan nyo, class. Divisibility rule of 12. So the divisibility rules of 3 and 4 applies here. Okay? Ito yung clue. Kapag 6 ang hinahanap natin, divisibility by 6, dapat divisible siya by 2 and 3. Okay? Ngayon, class, kung titignan ninyo, ang 6 at 12 related kasi pareho lang sila ng factors. Okay? Nakukuha niya? Ngayon naman, class, sa 12, dapat divisible siya by 2, divisible siya by 3 and 4. So, babalikan nyo ngayon yung rule ng 3 at 4. Pag sasamahin ninyo, pag na-satisfy nila yung pagkuha natin ng divisibility ng number 12, then that's number's divisibility by 12. Okay? Ulit. Sa 6, kailangan divisible siya by 2 at 3. Kasi pag minultiply nyo, class, 2 times 3, 6. Diba? Nakukuha nyo na? Diba madali lang? Sa 6? Ganun pala yun, sir. Yes, i-multiply mo lang, class, yung 2 and 3. Yun yung hanapin mo eh. So, 6. Dito naman, class, dapat divisible siya ba ng 3 at 4. So, pag minultiply mo yung 3 times 4, that is 12. Okay? So, yun yung clue ninyo para mabilis nyo makuha. So, i-apply nyo ngayon yung divisibility by 4 and 12. So, dapat yung last 2 digit is divisible by 4. O kaya naman 0, 0. At pag inad natin lahat ng digits, divisible siya ng 3. Katulad ng ginawa natin kanina. Okay? Example natin. Tingnan nyo to, class. 648. So, 6 plus 4 plus 8 is 18. So, 18, alam natin divisible siya by 3. Diba? So, nasatisfy nyo na yung 3. Okay na tayo doon. Okay? Next, kunin nyo yung dalawang last digits niya. 48. Diba ang 48 divisible siya ng 4? Yes. Kitang-kita naman ito sa divisible by 4. So, 648 is divisible by 12. Okay? Alright. Ganun ng class. Nakuha nyo? I hope you get it. Ulitin ko, class. Punta ako dun sa blackboard natin. Yeah. I'll repeat. So, the given is 648. Explain ko ulit, class. So, i-add mo lang yung digit. 6 plus 4 plus 8, that is equal to ilan? 18. Okay, tamo, class, diba? Yung 18 divisible siya by 3. Okay, so check natin to. Okay na, nasatisfy na natin yung unang condition. Punta naman tayo sa next condition. Kailangan yung last 2 digits divisible by 4. Well, you can see, class, that 48 is divisible by 4. So, that is divisible by 4. Check. O, nasatisfy natin, di ba? Yung 3 and 4. So, 648 is divisible by 12. Okay? Easy, right? Let's go now to another example. So I want you to answer this one. Let me please check if it is divisible by 12. 7,980. Pakisulat muna, class. Yan. Number 1 is 7,980. Number 2 is kahit isa lang muna, class, ng given. 7,980. Sige nga, tell me if it's divisible by 7,980. Divisible by 12. So I will call Aragel to answer. Are you done? Yes? Yes or no? Okay, Aragel, can you hear me? What is your answer, Aragel? Is the given divisible by 12? 7,980. Yes or no? Aragel, hello? Baka hindi ako narinig ni Aragel. JM. JM? Hindi rin. Jester. Is it divisible by 12? 7,980. Okay. Yes. So, hindi ko na ipa-explain muna yung rule ngayon, Jester. But next time, kailangan kaya nyo nang i-explain class, ha? Pag-aralan nyo ulit. Meron kayong makikita niyan sa book, yung Math for Life, at meron din sa module. So, kung titignan nyo yung sa week number 2, sa module, may explanation din doon. Puntahan nyo rin yung Math for Life, may explanation din doon. Next time, sa klase natin sa math, itatanong ko sa inyo, kayo yung magbibigay ng rule. Okay? Pero hindi pa tayo tapos, kasi may 7 pa tayo. Divisibility by 7. Yan. Panghuli natin yung 7 kasi medyo mahirap. Okay, balikan natin to. Ako muna yung mag-explain sa ngayon. So, pag in-add natin yung mga digits niya, so 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus, kahit 0, huwag nang i-plus kasi alam naman natin, 0 din naman yun. So, 7, 9, 8. So, ilan siya? Ito mo ng 7 plus 8 kasi 15. Tapos 9, alam natin may 5 doon at 4. So, 24. So, 24 divisible by 3. And last 2 digits, tingnan agad. Okay, divisible by 4. Kasi 8 is divisible by 4. Okay? So, the number is, check, divisible by 7. Okay? So, let's proceed now to 7. Sa 7 class, if I were you, gamitin nyo na lang yung way ng pag-divide natin sa 7. Yung paano natin divide sa 7. Halimbawa, class, yung 49, divide lang natin sa 7. Alam natin divisible siya by 7. Pero may rule tayo na pwedeng gamitin. Ano yung rule na yon? Okay? So, tingnan natin dito. I-percent screen natin ulit. Pero I told you, class, pwedeng hindi yung gamitin. Pwede nyo rin gamitin. Kung ano yung mas madali sa inyo. Ay, wala dito. Dito sa isa. Ayan. Tingnan yung class. Medyo malabo lang ng kaunti. Ang gagawin natin, class, siguro ako na lang mag-explain kasi mas nalilito kayo pag ganitong yung daming sulat. Ako na lang muna mag-explain dito, class, sa blackboard natin. Ayan. Let's say, yung given natin, kunwari, class, 7,203. Ayan. Sundan nyo ng class, ha? Pero sabi ko kanina, pwedeng i-divide na lang siya by 7. So, ganito, class, ko gawin. I-highlight ko yung kukunin nating digit. Kunin muna yung pinakahuling digit. Ano yung pinakahuling digit niya? 3. Tapos, i-multiply mo siya sa 2. I-double mo siya. Laki naman ng 3 times 2. Yan. I-double mo siya, class. So, 3 times 2 is 6. Okay? So, may 6 ka na. So, i-ano mo na to. Kukunin mo to mamaya. Hiwalay na natin yan. 6. Ngayon, class, kunin mo yung natitira niyang tatlong naiwang number doon. Yung 720. Yung 720 na yon, mag-minus ka ngayon ng 6. Saan galing yung 6? Yung kaninang multiply natin sa 3 times 2. Okay? So, pag nag-minus tayo, 720 minus 6 is ilan? Sige nga, Aliyah, anong sagot? Aliyah, what is the answer? 720 minus 6.
714.
Yes, 714. Oh, ngayon, ang tanongin mo, class, ang 714 ba divisible by 7? Hershey, Angelica, please answer. Yung 714 kaya divisible by 7? Tingnan ninyo. Ito kaya ay divisible by 7? Yes or no? Yes. Kasi, tingnan nyo, pag dinivide natin yung 7, sakto. Dinivide natin yung 14, sakto din naman. So, ibig sabihin, class, itong 7,202 is divisible by 7. Wa? Kasi yung kanyang kinalabasan, divisible by 7. Nung ginawa natin yung process na, una, ulitin ko class, kukunin yung last digit, i-multiply sa 2, okay? Yung sagot, 6. Yung naging sagot, minus ngayon sa natitirang digit na 720. So, yung magiging sagot doon, 714, divisible ba siya ng 7? Yes. And so the number. Sir, parang ang hirap nito. Paano pag-apat na digit, 5 digit? So, may hirapan na talaga class doon. So, it's really not easy to do that. Kaya, ano yung pwede natin gawin? Yung usual na ginagawa natin class, pwede natin i-apply. I-divide natin 7,203. Yun. So, i-divide natin siya by 7. Ayan. Okay? So, pwede niyong gamitin yan. So, dinagdag ko lang sa class, pero wala talaga siya sa ano natin, sa module or even sa book natin. At sa MELC. Pero dinagdag ko lang para at least may idea kayo sa 7. Pero sabi ko nga, kung nadadalian dun sa rule, use it. Pero kung nahihirapan dun sa rule number 7, do not use it. Mag-divide na lang ng 7, mas mabilis pa yata yun. Okay? That's it. So, kompleto na natin class lahat. Divisibility rules. Mula dun sa 2 hanggang 12. Okay? Complete. We have completed everything. So, next time, ang magiging exercises natin sa pagsisimula natin ng math class ay gagamitin natin lahat. Magtatanong ako sa lahat. Pero ngayon, meron na kayong mga sasagotang exercises sa module at saka sa book. Okay? Doon muna kayo magsasagot para yung nahihirapan sa internet connection, hindi muna mag-internet kasi para makaano natin yung pangangailangan nila class kasi it's hard for them to connect. So, saan tayo magsasagot sa module? So, pakikuha yung module, i-guide ko kayo kung alin doon yung sasagutan. Ayan. So, buksan ninyo class dun sa week number 2. Week number 2. Divisibility rules for 4, 8, 11, and 12. Okay, paki-check. Yan, nakikita nyo na. I-check nyo class yung learning task number 1. Sasagutan nyo yun. May direction na nakalagay dyan. The following numbers are divisible by 4, 8, 11, and 12. Try to finish the table by writing the numbers that are divisible by 4, 8, 11, and 12. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, class, ano yung susunod na number or possible number na pwede rin divisible by 4, 8, 11, and 12? Okay? What are other numbers? O, idagdagan nyo pa. Maliban sa 200, o ano yung susunod na pwedeng divisible by 4? By 8, 11, and 12. Next, learning task number 2. Huwag nyo class sagutan yung module ha. Kailangan sa notebook lang siya ilalagay. Learning task number 2. Copy the given table in your notebook. Put a check under the correct column by which the numbers are divisible. Halimbawa, 88. Is it divisible by 4? Check kung okay. Divisible ba na siya ng 8, ng 12, or 11? Check nyo din kung okay. Huwag agad check ng check ha. Dapat walang erasure. Next, learning task number 3. Fill in the largest unit digit to make them divisible by the numbers on the left. So, divisible by 4. Okay? Fill in the largest unit, digit, okay? To make them divisible by the number on the left. Halimbawa, class, yung number 1, divisible by 4. Okay? So, ano yung pinaka-largest na mailalagay yung unit, digit? Kung sinabi natin unit, yun yung last digit. Okay? Unit. Pag narinig yung salitang unit, yun yung last digit. Halimbawa, 125. Divisible by 4. Ano yung idadagdag mong digit para siya maging divisible by 4? Dapat largest. Pinakamalaki. Okay? Kuha? Hanapin nyo yun. So, pwede kayo mag-trial and error dito. And, okay. Punta tayo dito sa solving problems involving divisibility rules for 2 hanggang 12. Magkakahalo na siya. Halimbawa, learning task number 1. Maxine made 15 cupcake desserts. He arranged the desserts and platters with the same number of dessert on each platter. How many desserts could Maxine have put on each platter? So try to answer that one. No problem, class. Okay? All right. And then, yung letter D, wag na muna class kasi nag-GCF na siya. Kailangan may discuss ko muna yung GCF bago nyo sagutan yan. Skip nyo muna yung letter D. Page 12. Kasi nag-ano siya ng GCF eh. Eh, hindi ko pa naman natuturo yung GCF. Ayan. Kahit hanggang dun muna sa 1, yung problem solving 1 to 4. Doon hanggang sa may nakalagay Ruth has 84 rows. Hanggang dun lang muna. Yung letter D, E at A, wag na munang sagutan. Is that clear? Wag na magtanong sa akin sa chat kasi na-explain ko na class. Kasi meron kaming ina-accomplish lang ngayon na mga paperworks. So, baka hindi ko kayo ma-replyan ngayong morning. Yes. Kaya
Yung module
Hindi,
ko
ano?
po, hindi po sunod-sunod.
What do you mean?
Hindi po
Magkakahiwalay yung
sunod-sunod.
page?
Pagbukas ko po ng module ko, learning
okay.
task number 3 po agad.
Isasend ko sa yung module name na soft copy. Or ilalagay ko sa group natin. I-download mo. Okay? Ayan. Naka-PDF file. So, para makita ng lahat, pwedeng i-download nyo lahat para kung may mali doon sa module nyo, pwede nyo makita. Yes, Abang.
Sir, humina po ko sa internet ko. Hindi ko po nakinig yung sinabi niyo.
Okay. So, ilalagay ko na lang ulit sa group kung anong mga sasagutan yung hindi nakarinig. Okay? Kung anong page, kung anong learning task, and all. Next, punta tayo sa book. So, mayroon kayong sasagutan sa book. Okay. Please open that on page 30. Okay, for check your understanding, page 30, hindi nyo class ang masasagutan dyan kasi kailangan nyo ng explanation. Halimbawa, number 1, if a number is divisible by 2, is it also divisible by 10? So, try to explain. Okay? So, class, huwag magmadali sa pagsagot. Hindi nyo kailangan matapos yan within this day. Okay? Pwede kahit hanggang within this week, yung sa book. Kasi ang dami naman masyado kung ngayong araw tatapusin agad. Okay? So, katulad bukas, yung iba wala namang gagawin sa morning, so pwedeng nag-math ulit para may something kayong ginagawa. So, if a number is divisible by 2, is it also divisible by 10? Explain. Next, letter B. Answer each orally. State the steps in detail. So, hindi kasya class sa book yung sagot kasi yung space is very limited. So, ilagay nyo na lang class as a long size, yung check your understanding. Halimbawa, how will you determine if 3,052 is divisible by 7? How will you determine if 7,176 is divisible by 8? So, explain nyo ngayon yung rule na ginamit natin kanina. Next, let's proceed to practice. Letter A on page 31. Tell whether 2, 3, or 5 is a factor of the given number. Put a check on the corresponding column. Put a cross mark on the column that does not apply. The first has been done for you. Katulad ng 150. Yes, pwede siya sa 2, sa 5, and 10. Ganon. Pag pwede, i-check nyo. Pag hindi, cross. Letter B, tell whether the number is divisible by 3, 6, or 9. Write 3, 6, or 9 in the blank. The first one has been done for you. Lagi namang may nauunang ginawa para sa inyo. Halimbawa, yung 276, divisible ba siya by 3 and 6? Nilagay yung sagot, 3 at 6. So, yung number 2, 345, divisible ba siya ng 3, 6, and 9? Ilagay nyo rin kung divisible siya by 3, 6, and 9. Okay? And list all numbers between 100 and 200 that are divisible by 4, 8, or 12. Ililist nyo class yung numbers mula sa 100 mula hanggang sa 200 na divisible siya ng 4, 8, at 12. Ang hanapin nyo lahat. Alright. And then write all numbers between 250 and 350 that are divisible by 7 or 11. Hanggang letter D lang muna yung sasagutan. Yung iba, next time na kasi masyado ng madami class yung gagawin natin. Okay? So, that's it. So, yun muna yung gagawin. Wala muna kayong sasagutan sa Google Classroom kasi yung iba nahihirapang mag-attach at saka na baka magka-ice train naman na kayo kasi sunod-sunod na araw na tayo nag-attach sa classroom. So, mag-focus muna sa book at saka sa module para nakakapagsulat din kayo class at nakakapag-solve. Okay? So, that's it. So, I told you, ang tapusin muna ngayong morning yung module. Yung book, kahit bukas pwedeng gawin. Okay? Or next days. Okay, see you later, class. Thank you for cooperating. Lahat kayo may show me board at everyone has, participated our group, our discussion online. And I hope clear sa inyo yung divisibility by 4, 8, 11, and so on. Kung may question, pwede yung i-ano sa chat box ngayon. Kasi mamaya class, after this, meron akong tinatapos na mga reports na tungkol din sa inyo. So, hindi mo na ako makakapag-message ngayong morning. So, isi-send ko na lang yung module para doon sa mga kulaw-kulaw yung page. See you later, class, at 1 a.m. para sa ating ESP. Okay? Okay, that's it. So, yung mga hindi nakapanood, panoorin na lang sa YouTube yung video. Okay, that's it for today, class. See you later. And mag-break time muna kayo bago magsagot sa module. Freshen up. And para okay yung mind, pagsagot sa module is makasagot ng maayos. Okay, that's it. See you, class, later. Bye-bye.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po, sir.
Peace out.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you po, sir.
Okay.
Thank you po, sir.
Bye, sir. Sir, isasend niyo po sa GC yung mga assignment.
Yes? Ano ulit, Aino?
Isasend niyo pa po ulit sa GC yung mga assignment.
Po, sir.
Huwag na munang i-send. Okay? Saka ko na lang sasabihin kung paano natin i-check. Yung module, magbibigay ako ng answer. Pero yung book, I will just announce maaaring in the future or bukas or next